Hello, that's what I prepared today. This is tabbouleh, or as we call kisir, or you can say easily salad with bulgur. You can find bulgur anywhere in the groceries across the United States, or I'm sure it's easy to find in Europe as well. Just wash your bulgur and put in a plate, large big plate, and then cut, chop and slice your necessary vegetables like tomatoes, lettuce, green fresh onions, green peppers, tomatoes, what else, cucumbers, as well as add some tomato paste, garlic of course, olive oil, lemon must, and mix all together. Add some red pepper, black pepper and cumin, and 5-10 minutes later it's ready to serve. This is perfect meal for summer days, hot summer days, because we are not cooking this. And again, perfect meal for vegetarians and of course vegan too. It's a delicious, healthy and tasteful. Bon appetit!